Your toes. Yes, there's your toes. Where's your ear? Where's your ear? That's your ear. Where's your mouth? That's your mouth. Where's your belly? There's your belly. Where's your head? Your head. That's your head. Where's your nose? Oh, you just always forget that one. Hey, Aiden, twirl. Ha ha ha. Okay, stop. Sit down. Sit. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. You can do it. Sit on the floor. Okay, you don't want to. Okay, twirl. No, you don't want to twirl either? Now you're going to sit down. Alright, stand up. Get up. No? There you go. Twirl. Nope. Twirl. What? Now you're just being silly. Lay down. Aiden, where's your elbows? Where's your elbows? Elbow? Can you show me your elbow? Elbows are tough, aren't they? Twirl. What? Do your dance. Do your cha-cha-cha. Go cha-cha-cha. 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 It's forward and backwards. And twirl. There you go. Twirl. Yay. Alright, jump. Can you play patty cake? That's part of it. Get your Pooh Bear. Get your Pooh Bear.
Hey,
No?
Get your Pooh Bear.
There he is.
Get him.
Pick him up.
Get him. Pick him up. Turn around. Oh, that'll work.
Oh, that's a car.
Get Pooh Bear.
What about your monkey? Or your school bus?